Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own Minecraft custom thumbnails. Now if you're like me, a beginner for YouTube, you might want to make custom thumbnails. Well, I know some YouTubers might be doing some Minecraft. Well, here I will be showing you how to make Minecraft thumbnails. Now there are two softwares you're going to have to use, and that is GIMP and Blender. So we'll move on to the tutorial right now. Alrighty guys, so I am in Blender currently. So before we do anything, we have to go to your user preferences, go to system, and turn off MIP maps, so your character won't be too blurry. Now what you do is you press render image, and it should be right there. So now we have to zoom in on our on Steve, select his chest, and then pull this out. Go here to textures, then press the little orb thing, and then it should say steveskin.png. Press X and press open, and then you can select what you want. So I'm gonna go to I believe I have it somewhere. Yeah, here we go. So just select that, and as you can see, my Minecraft character already has eyes on there. So what we can do is just close the eyelids. Then we can close this eyelid, and basically do whatever we want. Now we can pose our character. We can press R, and actually I'm not gonna do anything like that quite yet. I'm gonna actually go up here, press R. Oh, whoops, that's not how it's supposed to go. Okay, here we go. Now we gotta press R, and we can put his arms up in the air. Now this is gonna be our character that we're gonna make, and you can pose him however you want. And then you have to press R as well, as a reminder. And now you press render image, and as you can see over here, it has been rendered. So now go to file, then go to I believe save as, and you can put in whatever you want. dgboy.png. Oh, actually, no, never mind. Here, I don't think not this here, but the picture over here. So just press that, and then just press save as image, and then you can put in. I'm gonna put in dgboy3.jpg. Press enter. And yeah, that's it. So now we'll be moving on to GIMP, so we can remove the background here. Alrighty, so now I am in GIMP, and if you don't know what GIMP is basically a free version of Photoshop. So first, what you're going to do is go to File, Open, and then you can go go find your file or your picture, and here's my picture right here. And so first what we're gonna have to do is we are going to zoom in on our character, and we are going to outline it with the where is it right now? This right here that looks like a rope. We're gonna use that to outline it, and then after that we'll make the background transparent. So give me a couple of minutes. I'm gonna go trace my character. Alrighty, so I'm back from doing this, from outlining. So also what you're gonna want to do is press enter to make an outline, and then go to select, go to feather, and then do 5,000 there. And this is gonna make our outline on our character more, I guess, seeable. I guess so. So what we're gonna do now is go to view, go to zoom, fit image in window. So that's our character right now. So now we're gonna have to go to now we're going to have to go. Alrighty, so now we are going to go to select, and we are going to go to invert. And as you can see, this makes an outline on the outside. So now we're gonna go back into select. Alright everybody, sorry about the technical difficulty, but now we're going to go and show how to put the thumbnail on. So as you can see, I put my Minecraft thumbnail on there and right here, and for Simba. I'm gonna have to fix these other ones with the, my do thumbnails. So you go to YouTube Studio. Let that load. And then you go to videos. And then you click on the video that you want to edit. And so I kind of just changed the thumbnail real quick for the sake of this video. So we go to custom thumbnail, and we could select whatever we want. So I'm gonna look up Simba. Oh, whoops. Oh, it should be in thumbnails actually. Here we go. And then once you're done with that, press save. And that should be it. Let that load for a second. Alrighty, well, I think this thing's gonna probably take a while, so thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you out. And yeah, I'll see you later. Oh, here you go. I'll see you later. Bye. Don't go away just yet. Please don't. Okay. Okay. I thought I lost you there for a second. To get rid of the background, you were supposed to go to select, go to invert, and it should have the outline around the actual image. Then press delete. It should get rid of the background. And then press export as, put whatever you want, but you have to make it a PNG. Make it a PNG, please, because if not, then it's not going to have the transparent background. So, yeah, that's basically it. I promise you this time, this is going to be the ending of the video. So, please like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, comment down below, because just double checking real quick. Yeah, it does. Yeah. You can comment down there. It says, I see your account down there. It says, add a public comment or whatever. I can't read. I'm just kidding. Okay. Oh man, sorry. Okay, so final ending. So final ending. So I'll see you next time. Peace.